Mr. Crypto Web 3 Gaming.
Good day, Crypto Gamer. Today I'm sharing with Hamster Combat Daily Zipper for September 15, 2024. Okay, the first word, which is letter I, need natin ang dot dot. Okay? And then for the second one, which is letter N, need natin ang dash and dot. Dot dot, and then dash and dot. And then for the third one, which is letter T, need natin ang dash. And then for the fourth one, which is letter R, need natin ang dot, dash, and dot. Okay? And then for the fifth word, which is letter I, need natin ang dot, dot. Okay? And then for the sixth word, which is letter G, need natin ang dash, dash, dot. Okay. And then for the seventh word, which is letter U, need natin ang dot, dot, dash. Okay. And then for the last word, which is letter E, need natin ang dot. Okay?